Ready? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Drew, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. Make sure you join the Nikki Drew family. We are growing, and I'm so proud of you guys. Like, talking to the people who already have been here. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are growing my channel, and I can't even explain how much I love you guys. Like, thank you so freaking much. I just cannot believe that you guys are like following me. Like, it still freaks me out. I don't know what I'm doing. So thank you for all of my old subscribers. Thank you for any of my new subscribers who are going to click on this video and be like, I like her, I'm gonna subscribe. Thank you, girl. Or guy. You know, we don't discriminate here. So I basically did a video today using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. I have been really trying to incorporate drugstore makeup and more affordable brands into my makeup routine for you guys, because you guys have basically told me that's what you wanted to see. I think I'm going to do like a whole little playlist of drugstore makeup. Like, I think that'll be cute. Probably gonna do like another full face using one brand. I don't know, maybe we're gonna do like Maybelline. We're probably gonna do some e.l.f., some Wet n Wild. Girl, I can do anything. Okay, I'm here all day, no job. What's up? I'm just gonna stop rambling and let you guys see how I completed this look. I really do like this look, by the way. Like, tell me what you guys think of the look, because I low-key love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna shut up now and you guys can watch the video here. Does anybody else put whipped cream on our hot coffee knowing it's going to be gone within seconds, but we do it anyway? Oh my gosh, this is really, really hot actually, so we can actually let this cool off. Alright guys, so welcome back. Okay, hopefully I did the intro so I don't have to do my little welcome back to my channel dance. We're just going to get straight into this tutorial. Now, I never owned anything drugstore. Actually, I've never owned anything by NYX Cosmetics, so I'm super excited. Like, when I was in Vegas, I did go into the NYX Cosmetics store because it was the first one I had ever saw. I actually did get a couple foundation brushes, and then I ordered some online and I got them engraved. I have one with my cat's names on it, and then I have one with my Instagram. This one literally has my Instagram. And I went wow, because I was like, oh my god, you can get this engraved. I'm a kid, okay, I don't know how to act. Alright, so we have this big old, yes, this is what. So we do have a lot to go through, and yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Buckle your wigs. Let's get into it. Shout out to one of my Instagram followers who actually recommended me to start using drugstore products. She's a huge supporter of mine, and she recommended that I start using drugstore or budget-friendly products in my videos because your girl can get a little bougie. I know, like, I don't want to address it, but I'll address it. Yes, I use a lot of high-end, luxurious makeup. I guess, like, I don't even think it's high-end. Like, I just shop at Sephora. I don't shop at Ulta. And so I do get stuck into, I guess, like a routine of buying $60 palettes and acting like it's nothing. And so shout out to my followers, my subscribers, you guys, for basically like bringing me back to earth and saying, you know, everybody can afford this and that and that. So I do want to make my page just more budget friendly. I just want to make my entire life more budget friendly, to be honest. So we're gonna get right into it. I've been talking, this is the longest intro of my life. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna go into is the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. This is very innovative. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I guess it's time to take the glasses off. Oh, it's kind of dewy. I like, oh wow, it's really sticky. Oh, okay, let me put the weed back because that's just an accident waiting to be had. We don't need that. Okay, well, I've never tried anything like this, and I love that they are being innovative. Oh, it's very cooling to the face. Like, it's very cooling to the face. And it doesn't feel that sticky. It doesn't feel sticky as I thought. Like, I thought it was going to be a sticky mess, and it feels moisturizing. Like, it just feels like a moisturizer, if I'm being honest. Oh, I wonder if it's just, like, really beneficial to the skin because it's honey. And I mean, like, that's a natural product, right? Like, that has to be beneficial to the skin in some form, right? So shout out to NYX for coming up with something that, I don't know if they came up with it. Like, I don't know if this is the first honey primer ever, but it's the first one that I've seen being mainstream. So I'm just going to say, like, shout out to them. So we have the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I am so hyped about this. I hope I got the right shade. I really like that primer. Like, my face feels a little blurred almost. Like, it just feels very like a really nice base. I really liked it. She does look a little orange. Okay, so we're going to start with this first layer. Say a little prayer, you know, the drill, all that shebang, right? Okay. I think she could work. I think she's definitely a little shade off, but we can definitely work with her. I think we can work with her. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, am I fooling myself? Am I just like really? But I think we can work. In my opinion, I like the foundation. I just feel like it's definitely like maybe like 1 or 2 shades off. I don't know. I'll have to go back and see like how it looks, you know, once I conceal and everything like that. She's definitely matte. Like, I feel like I'm not wearing anything though. Like, I feel she's very lightweight. Like, I don't feel like my face is heavy, and I put on 2 layers right away. So I feel like she's definitely a lightweight foundation. Okay, I have 2 of the 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. I have the shade Light Pale and the shade Medium Mullion or something like that. I have like the second one and the third one. That was how I was supposed to do it, because I think it came with 3. I have 2 of them because I didn't know what shade I was in and I was feeling feisty, so I got them both. I actually just realized that when I open this up, these are powders. So I thought that these were like concealer palettes. Like, I thought that these were cream concealer palettes, and I realized these are like setting concealer palette. Like, I don't know what this is. This is powder, and basically I don't have a concealer now because I thought that this would be my concealer, is what I'm trying to say. Like, I bought their loose setting powder here. Alright, to keep things pushing, I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer area first. I love the shade though. I mean, like, I love the undertone shade. I just feel like she's a little bright. She's setting flawlessly, but she's a little bright. And this is not like the light one. This is the one that I'm using is the dark one, or medium. So she shouldn't be that damn light, but oh, I like this. I really do. I love how this looks. This looks really, really good. Like, holy moly. Oh, okay, yeah, my white girl was showing when I said that. So this is the dark palette, and then this is the light palette. A contour shade that is a little bit more coherent with me, because if I have to dig into this one, I will, obviously. But we're going to start off soft and add as needed. Just a little rough. Okay, now let's just see what this one does. Okay, she's darker, but I still don't like I just don't, it's not warm. It's just not it's a harsh brown. Like, it's a harsh brown, and I like a warm brown. Okay, we're gonna keep it moving. We're just gonna move along. Now let's try the highlighter from the dark palette, because actually, is this the same highlighter, low-key? I'm gonna swatch them both for you guys, actually. This is from the dark palette. She actually came out kind of gold. I thought she looked peachy on the palette, but deceptive. This is from the light palette. So they're damn near sisters. Super similar. I'm just gonna go with the dark one. I'm just gonna go at the highest point of my cheekbone and drag it down. The highlighter isn't wowing me. Like, it's just not like something that I would reach for either. I'm gonna pop some of this Bright Idea Illuminating Stick from NYX that I have. Oh wow. Like my nose area and my lip. And I'm just gonna use my finger to do the same thing. I just realized again, you know, that we're struggle channels, so of course we don't have a blush from NYX, which is just like my fault. Like, so since we don't have a blush from NYX Cosmetics, I'm just gonna use a BH Cosmetics blush set that's really dirty, but she just looks like this. Okay, so when I went to Vegas, like I said before, I went into the NYX store, and I did pick up like their palettes. I actually made a couple of their like self-made palettes that you guys see here. However, I did take out all of the shades So there's like nothing in there because I had a bunch of little ones and I just transferred them all into this big Z palette that you guys see here. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to do my eyes. I'm just putting this in my crease and I'm not really blending it right now. I'm just placing it, trying to get the pigment out of it, like the color to show up. Wow, this shade looks really pretty on me. I really am having to like layer this color on though to get it to show up as bright as I want it to. I'm not gonna come in here and lie to you guys and act like this shade is like super pigmented because it's not. I like too much pigment more than like having to pack on pigment. I would rather be like over pigmented and have like a bunch of freaking, you know, fallout and just like it be pigment world than have to pack on for 15 minutes because time is money and I don't have the time or the money. Oh, it looks really freaking pretty though. But I'm gonna try to blend her just a teensy wincy out with maybe like, I don't want any orange in it, so I'm gonna see what this do. Okay, so I do have the NYX the Curve eyeliner. Oh, she's definitely black. I definitely feel comfortable using her just because of the way that she fits in my finger like this. Oh wow, she's like black too. Like, this is kind of dope. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did go ahead and complete the rest of my eyes. And all I'm missing now is the highlight. So I'm going to go back into this 3 Steps to Scope palette. And I'm going to use that highlighter again. We're going to try that one more time. Oh, I really do not like how this looks. Like, why is it like green? But you guys see what I'm saying? Like, this highlighter is just so, like, it has green reflectives instead of gold. I just don't like it. So usually I would highlight the inner corner of my eye with my brow bone, but I don't want no freaking green reflective looking highlighter on my inner corner eye right now. So I'm actually going to opt out of that and keep it pushing. Pretty much all we have left now is to do the lips, and I really like my lips like this. I really wish that I had like a brown liner and just some gloss to put over it because this is perfect. I have like a couple lip options, but they're all kind of not what I want to wear on my lips right now. So I'm just going to line my lips with this brown liner from Sephora. And I'm just going to try to, maybe it won't be so bad. Okay, I mean, like, I wouldn't have put my lips this way if I didn't have to use like this. And this is the NYX Cosmetic Whipped to What. I got this like as a free sample when I went into the NYX Cosmetic stores. Oh, I'm getting like 90s vibes from this, you know, like, aren't you guys feeling this look? Oh, I'm kind of really excited. Alright, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna set my face with my Morphe setting spray. I'm sorry, but once I set my face with the Morphe thing, everything just comes so alive and it just looks so good. It just looks so together and I can really see if I like the look or not. Like, now that it looks finished, it just, oh, it just looks so good to me. Like, it just looks so freaking good. So freaking good. Okay, so this is going to be the final look, guys. As you guys can see, I like it because I'm grooving and I might be hungry. That's probably why I'm dancing, because I'm happy this video is over because now I get to eat. But I actually really like the way that my face looks. Like, I feel like I'm in a 90s video. Like, it's giving me Aaliyah vibes. It's definitely giving me some, you know, like, I don't know, throwback. I don't know. I just really like it. First thing first, I like the foundation. I think it's a little bit matte. It's definitely matte. It don't say, okay, it does say matte finish. Okay, that's why. It's a matte finish. It really is really matte. I wish I had the concealer to try it with it. I will probably do another video. If you guys want to see me attempt a full face of NYX Cosmetics featuring like everything, I mean like blush, concealer, all the stuff that I basically missed out on this time, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up this video and I will try to redo this. But I do think that I did get a good spectrum of the brand. Like, I think I got a good idea of what they're working with. And I just gotta say, I think that the brand is popping. Like, I think it works. I think they're affordable, but they're low-key here for the people. They're giving you actual good quality products. They're not just giving you crap and charging you for it, which would suck. And I also think that I got this banana powder. I really think that I just found a banger for me. Like, look how But come on. Come on. I look great. So I really think that this finishing setting thing was the bomb. These two things I'm probably never going to dig into, like literally never going to dig into, but that's okay because I'm going to keep it for this. Alright, let's just bring her out again for the people. We love you, girl. Like, oh my god, it really was tacky, so I think the foundation just stuck really perfectly to it because we like sticky primer, but then it was really smoothing. Like this, I don't even see my pores. Like, where? They don't exist. They're gone. They've been arrested, locked up in jail. They ain't coming out. So I really like that primer. I didn't get to try the setting powder, so maybe in another video. The only thing that I can say is that this bronzer, like whatever this is, I keep calling it a bronzer. I know it's not a bronzer, but I keep calling it a bronzer. Whatever you want to call yourself, sis, you ain't it. She's not it. She's canceled. She doesn't belong here. I definitely, that's the only flop that I would say that I experienced in this video. Other than that, everything seems to work out perfectly. I love this look. I love this. Like, I love it. I even like the highlight. Like, honestly, the highlight, I told you guys, the highlight was pigmented. Like, it wasn't even an issue of, oh, it's not showing up, or it's shocky, or it's chunky. It was a good highlight. I just did not prefer the color. I just don't like the specks of like green in there. That was weird to me. But when I threw the other highlight on top of it, like as you guys can see, she doles her out, and she just made her just look really, just really nice. So overall, NYX Cosmetics, I will definitely be dipping in. I will be looking out for you. Honestly, NYX has never been on my radar. That's because they are sold at drugstores. I don't really shop at drugstores, so I've literally just never even heard about this brand until now. But I'm really happy with them. Like, I know y'all are looking at me like, bitch, you never stopped at that drugstore? You never heard of NYX? Really? Like, yeah, I'm dead serious. Like, I don't have any. What am I gonna lie to you for? I used to shop at Walmart, and NYX didn't really exist at Walmart. When I did used to buy drugstore products, I would buy a lot of Maybelline, a lot of CoverGirl, and that's it. This was a really good video. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Otherwise, you know, you wouldn't be here still. So I'm just gonna say thank you so much for watching this video with me. You guys know I love you so freaking much. If you guys like videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you guys want to see me do more tutorials, if you guys want to see me do more high-end makeup, low-end makeup. Oh, I don't want to call drugstore makeup low-end, but like that just came out. If you guys want to see me do more one brand tutorials or whatever it may be, just comment below and I will definitely hear you guys out. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.